My city is called Sun City, also called the Blue City, Jodhpur. Jodhpur city is a Brahmin community. They used to be the priests in the temples. They used to have a blue house to recognize these houses from the priest. So they are the high society people. I belong to a classical musician family, which is doing classical music of India from many generations. My family instrument is sarangi. Everybody plays sarangi. My uncle plays, my brother plays. My grandfather is sarangi player. But I like the sound of the santoor, so I choose santoor as my career. We follow the North Indian classical music tradition. This music is not written music, so we learn practically this kind of music. And I learned this music from my uncle. The classical music is an alphabet. Like when you have to learn any language, A, B, C, D, when you learn, then you can speak English. The same like in music, if you have a knowledge of do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, si, do, like that. We have a sargam, sa, re, ga, ma, pa, da, ni, sa. And this is an alphabet for learning the music.
Yeah? Very good. कोई बीच-बीच में नहीं बोलना है, कुछ नहीं करना.
Every day I go to teach the classical music with my uncle. In starting we got 5 students or like that. Now I think we have more than 25 regular students, and sometimes we like 35, 40 students comes. They don't go to school, so they don't aware about the society. They don't know about what's happening in this world. So this idea comes in my mind, like I want to also give them a good lifestyle, good living standard. They're already very talented, but in the family nobody is teaching them. They're just learning by heart, by listening this music. So I thought that I should teach them the fundamental of the music, the alphabets of the music. If they know the alphabet of the music, they can easily translate that music in their own style, and they can collaborate with any kind of music with a nice collaboration. When I go to teach them, it's my meditation, I forget about everything, tension or any other things. Because when I teach them, I'm like a kid with them, and best moment of whole day in my life.